I was really looking for a procedure that didn't pull the wrinkles out, but it would make me look natural, and I had absolutely no idea there was really a technology that allowed that to be done.
People have no idea that I'm close to 73. Some people want to see, they guess that they want to see my driver's license, which is very, very complimentary.
I look so much better, but that confidence and that joy, it's just changed my life.
I love making people feel good about themselves. That's the fun part of my job. I love to see patients after a procedure who, when I see them, are grinning from ear to ear, or give me a big hug, or tell me stories about what people have said to them when they've seen them for the first time after their procedure. The whole office gets excited when we see those patients, and we'll look at their before and afters, and it's just really a fun part of the whole process for all of us. So when I think of rejuvenating a face, I really want to address all three layers, not just one. The old-fashioned way, kind of traditional way, was just to pull on that connective layer of tissue really, really tight. So a person certainly looked tighter, but not necessarily younger. And we want people to look younger and vibrant.
Dr. Dahiya is amazing. He's very personable. He cares about his clients.
He recommends what will work for you.
I've seen 1,000,001 doctors. I've had breast cancer, immune system disorders, problems, and he's one of the top doctors I've ever seen.
Because I've been so focused on just doing a few things, I have a lot of experience in those few things. And the value of that is, I feel like I've seen almost every sort of skin type, every facial structure. So when I meet someone for the first time, I can do a very quick analysis as to what's going to be best for that patient.
At almost 70, I feel like I have a new life as far as a career goes. And doors have opened for me for job opportunities.
Maybe it's superficial, some people say, but I say take care of yourself, feel good about yourself, because that love that you give yourself, you end up spreading it around. So, it's not a selfish thing to do.
Potomac Facial Plastic Surgery offers a wide variety of surgical and non-surgical procedures to correct and prevent signs of aging and enhance overall beauty. Botox, lip augmentation, and dermal wrinkle fillers are popular non-surgical procedures, as well as laser resurfacing, chemical peels, microdermabrasion, and laser hair removal. Surgical procedures include facelift surgery, eyelid surgery, neck procedures, fat grafting, brow lifts, nose jobs, ear pinning surgery, chin implants, scar revisions, and hair transplants. Dr. Dahiya has performed over 6,000 facial procedures over the past 12 years in the DC metropolitan area. As a specialist of the face, Dr. Dahiya also emphasizes a minimally invasive and preventive approach to facial and skincare that helps to maintain healthy, youthful features and overall health. When considering a physician for your face, trust your face to a facial plastic surgeon. Trust your face to Dr. Dahiya.